Good day, Ma'am J. So, I am BG Suyman, B73. So, this is my activity presentation in activity 8, which is I'm going to create a 7 segment display. So, here's the code that provided. So, we have here the const int is equals to A is equals to 7, const int B 6, then so on and so forth. In the last one is const int dp is equals to 4. So in this area is to define the constant para sa matag segment like 7 segment to this 7 segment that display, then also the cons kay sa constant value that which is most of during runtime niya. Then we have here the A and G is to represent the segments sa in 7 segment display. Then also the digital pin, the DP is used to create a for it's also for a decimal point. So we have here the void setup, then the void setup, then for int this pin is for this pin less than is equals to 11, this pin plus plus, then pin mode this pin, then print on output. So in this section is to setup is to run once that it started, then also giloop niya ang pin from 4 to 11 and set an output and giset as an output, then to create a light to makasiga siya sa 7 segment. Then we have here the pin mode. This pin's output is so in this section in this area is to provide the pin is to send a signal, it's either low or high. So we have here the void loop digital 1, so display 1 to the 7 segment, wait for delay 1000, wait for a second, digital, and so on and so forth. So in this section is to loop is to run continuously in Arduino. Then also he called digital x to functions to see the number in 7 segment. Then delay 1000 is to create magpaabot siya og 1 second before mo display ang next number. Then continue siya na to display from 1 to 8. Then we have here so next is the digital one, void display the 1 to the segment. So digital write C high, turn the C of the segment on. Digital write B high, turn the B of the 7 segment on. For int J is equals to 7, J is less than or equal to 11, J plus plus, turn off the others. Then digital write row J low, then digital write DP low, turn the DP of the 7 segment off. So in this area is to, if we on the B and C segment is to see the number 1. Then if we off the other segments is to get the numbers more clarified. Then digital write pin high low, then so in this case is to control the pin para masiga. Then The next one is the so we have here those digital 0, digital 4 void display for 7 segment, so on and so forth, and digital 5 void display 5 to the 7 segment, then an assigned car here 4J 7, and void digital 7, then the last one display 7 to the 7 segment, assigned car J. So the same thing with the those digitals that we inputted. So the last one is the void digital 8, void display 8 to the 7 segment, and assign car J, where J5 is equals to J, then 11 J++, digital write, then digital write DP low. So that's all. Then as we we proceed to the output. Thank you. So this is the output of activity 8 in lesson 16 Arduino. Segment display. So as you can as is shown, the display was from 1 to 8. So that's all. Thank you.